Hello, a carton. Agus fáilte as go Cluicheamaid fer bheith sin I dú dul í a chin Microsoft Flight Simulator. Chanéal mí dhéobh gamit an léid chluich. Is mar sin hí sin mar a héid gain. Réir cholis Joe tutorial an a cat Fàilte. So Gàidhlig a chan an strap in mar go bug. Ach, tá sé sin ma flight training mis muint. Basic scanne in. Òbh Òbh. Han tuamas. Okay. Tá sé sin le nuirt an bunateach, right? Is jy mar ha cushion? Cushion ceiscilear anna seo. A mí bhí Cluicheamaid ga chur mí críoch Hellblade, Senua's Sacrifice. Joe Gàidhlig, Falling Gomorrah. Ach go ma dárach agus Gàidhlig tráchéile chanin. Is chur mí críoch sin. Agus harach sin Cluicheamaid becainte mód an Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Sa ceiscilear ha cara mar Hades, neo Returnal, neo go mar sin. Hatta the right.
Welcome to Sedona. I'm Captain Jess Molina, and I'll be your instructor.
I'm a géirí fóhítalin. Rut nach by mi riamh gra nuair vis mi caid BBC Alpa. Cadia accessibility. Test guys, tests, subtitles on. Scanne hain. Oh, key, do, key.
For this lesson, we're going to start on the ground and focus on some basic concepts.
Scanne.
Fundamentals every pilot needs to know before hitting the skies. This is your plane. A classic, the Cessna 152. Take a look around it.
Okay.
In the simulator, anytime you want, you can easily switch to cursor mode. The cursor is handy for interacting with menus and cockpit controls or instruments. As you can see, activating the cursor also displays the toolbar. The toolbar is a quick access menu that allows you to control various aspects of the simulation. Try to find and open the basic controls panel.
Okay. Can you hear your face? Oh, Sue's anyhow.
The basic controls panel is a useful reminder of the button layout for the devices you're currently using. Now try to find and open the camera panel in the toolbar.
Camera panel, okay.
The camera panel allows you to access the various views and camera modes of the simulation. Go ahead and close all the panels for now. Right now, we are in the external view mode. Let's switch to Cockpit View next.
Okay. Catch-a-vil end key, Shana.
In front of you is the yoke, the primary means of controlling the aircraft. In the simulation, you'll be controlling the aircraft with your peripherals of choice. So let's hide the yoke for now.
Yoke. Shouldn't have it, Chanu.
Some instruments allow multiple interactions. For example, rotating a dial clockwise or counterclockwise. In these cases, you need to lock the cursor onto them in order to interact. For example, take a look at the clock in the middle of the dashboard. Go ahead and lock the cursor on it.
Okay, give it a knee,
Now
okay.
change the clock time.
Oops. I can't even mouse wheel down. Achanyoshin Janu. Okay. Jana axis X. Bheachann sa bhíocht daine Chanel mouse wheel down a gupit.
You can
Oh,
unlock the
Marcin.
cursor once you're ready.
Let me take
For now, we're done with the cursor, so go ahead and hide it. All right, as we've seen, when you want to look around you, it's easy to rotate the camera. But you can also move it freely in the cockpit to get a better view of anything you want to see. Even through a window to look outside. Pro tip, once you find a camera position you like, you can save a shortcut to easily get back to that view anytime.
Control Alt.
Now, reset the camera to its original position. Then try switching to your custom one again.
Okay. Go fat there, fellas.
Alright, that covers all the main camera functions available in the simulation. Try to familiarize yourself with them a bit more. Then reset the camera to its original position whenever you're done.
Control agus space.
Great.
Scania. Boom. Achievement. Okay, sinna cén. Sinna trainings. Hamíon dáchas nach bíacin achrí basic handling agus réiteach takeoff and landing íachin. Ora thuas yoke. Taster flight, elevators. Chanani go fiús mar a chenas mí fachgal é sin. Trim review. Okay. Okay, Farchin. Gur sin a turas mírig, ha sin stríri aine turas seo. Òbh Òbh. Cha go mecha dhéanamh is heis go bhfuil gemichin gin seirse seo chuirta í mór an daine. Stiúirt nach mé héinhealach iad. Ach, I mean, dáchas go
Let's
fast
get you familiar with the aircraft, a Cessna 152, and a few commands to navigate it through the skies. In front of you is the yoke. The yoke is like a steering wheel, more or less. Turn it left or right to control the ailerons and bank the aircraft into turns.
Ailerons.
Look at the trailing edge of the wings while turning the yoke to see the effect on the ailerons.
Okay. Okay. Exertion care. Shia. Veel namlog air nearitikin. Jay het agest. Ja, shin en Shia. Oh,
Okay,
ageritikin.
now, the difference between the yoke and a steering wheel is you can pull or push on the yoke. This controls the elevator at the back of the aircraft to make it climb or descend. Look at the horizontal stabilizer while you pull on the yoke. You can see how it affects the elevator.
Activate a horizontal stabilizer. There's a gang, hoch. Look at that. Okay, I'm here, Shaniano.
Nice.
Okie dokie.
Down at your feet are the rudder pedals. They steer the aircraft when you're on the ground. The upper part of the pedals also control your brakes. In the air, they control the rudder at the end of the vertical stabilizer to yaw the aircraft. This is mostly for small corrections, for coordinating turns or compensating for a plane's tendency to pull left during takeoffs and climbs. Look at the vertical tail while operating the pedals to see the effect on the rudder.
Okay. Agus Jina Naharavan. Nyoni Nya enter.
Great. Last but not least, the throttle is located near the center of the cockpit. Pushing forward will increase power. Pulling back will decrease power.
Shina Janukio.
First, look at the throttle and select it. Keep it selected and push it forward to increase power.
Jay, agad ar hyn. A mis wedi gyfel Larry y dal train. No, has she new gloves? Shacha adage. Right, okay. Throttle. Y-axis.
Power is increased. Now pull it back to decrease power.
Chin chin.
Power is decreased. Now we'll do the same without focusing on it. Deselect the throttle. Look away from the throttle and increase power.
Kimmer. F3. Okay.
Set your throttle to idle.
F-A. Hamish
Excellent.
Parson gen keyboard has on help me the
When the engine is on, you'll be able to see the power change on your RPM indicator. You'll find it on the right side of the dashboard. This tells you how fast the engine is spinning in hundreds of revolutions per minute.
Viva la revolution.
Next, take a look at your current speed on the airspeed indicator. It's on the left in the main instrument panel. It measures the speed in knots.
Charlem
To
Star
check your
Wars
altitude,
squadrons.
look to the altimeter. It's on the right side of the main instrument panel.
Mikaya did.
The altimeter has 3 hands, similar to a clock. The long, thick pointer indicates 100-foot intervals. The short, thick one is 1,000-foot intervals. And the long, thin one, 10,000-foot intervals. That's all for today. Next time, we'll see how it feels in the air.
Okay. Darna tutorial Jisha. I guess ranching. Madish Harchin. Right. Karsha. Karsha Jen Shli Trona tutorial. Okay. Stache. Go fighting go vi ske ro jerig na huarach.
I've got to say, you chose a great day to go flying.
Nach wie hoog.
This session, we'll get started with some basic controls. Sound good? First things first, let's get familiar with your surroundings.
Catch Vilchi.
Out your side windows, you can see we have great visibility over Sedona today.
Catch Sedona.
This is Red Rock territory. Beautiful, isn't it? See if you can spot the Sedona airport. The runway should be a pretty easy landmark to find.
Smart.
There you go. Visual confirmation on the airport.
Enjoy the view. Well, sitting go shinny hen. The time at hush me Kirby Created Hellblade, agus Wally Gamora. It's nish me really a lot of gamma. I mean, it's mentioned urge to find me Divinity Original Sin 2. Or I also nailed the here a switch at last. That's kind of like it's a gana. Because I shouldn't go ma show or son pre-share a switch. Haniel show have pre-share in your lanilla and you're nasser and I should the PC and you're an Xbox. We got ma, it's mentioned gamma machine.
We already talked about basic controls while we were on the ground. Time to see how it all feels in the air. The aircraft is currently set to a cruise attitude, the position it should be in for regular flight.
Okay.
Alright, now let's try banking into a turn by moving the yoke. I'll go first.
Call it Shintly Edition.
You always want to keep your turns under 30 degrees.
Inch. Okay. Avicii nog een paar keer voor.
Go ahead and try rolling to the right.
Okay, J maybe.
You have controls. Turn right, toward the city of Sedona.
Okay, Kimmer. En je keine komt nu. Okay, hij komt dus je joken gaan. Wacht even, soms met je gram maar zo. Oep. Wow. Dat is een vette... Oh no. Okay, gotcha. Zo, maar dat is pielen dan nog. Okay. Shut up, kerst gejaagd. Kwieren. Hakoma sensitive.
Make sure any control movements are soft and gentle.
Yeah, I can't enjoy it.
As we're flying towards Sedona, let's try climbing up and down. Gently pull on the yoke to climb. Give it a try.
Nope. Oh no.
Next time, be a bit more gentle on the controls. For the descent, it's the same principle, except you're pushing on the yoke.
Okay.
Go ahead, gently pitch down.
Via me. Okay.
Next time, be a bit more gentle on the
We hebben je
controls.
doel gedacht, Arjun.
Okay, time to find the airport again.
Okay, well, heb ik Jon terug gesluit, of heb ik Jon terug? Right, Jaylen. Machine, okay, pitch, rudder, power management. Heb ik zo'n geweld shot. Dan heb ik Giri, she takeoff and landing. Fuse hier ook takeoff. Agus, heb ik al hier gezien, dus misschien 4 gezien. Die fijn je gaat je kunnen aan de plane. Het gegrish ik wel een bullig eindje nog zijn tutorials zullen eigenlijk in eer. Weet je wel? Gaan jij met een G-master dit is op eer. Ja, stag ik wel weer heen hier nog raar.
There's an old saying I like. A mile of road will take you a mile. A mile of runway will take you anywhere. Taking off isn't hard, but there are a few key points to remember. First, we always take off into the wind, which won't be an issue on a calm day like today. Second, before we enter a runway, we always make sure it's clear. Check to the right to see if a vehicle is on the runway, and to the left to make sure no other planes are approaching.
Oh, to the right. To the left.
Everything looks good, no cross traffic. Go ahead and taxi into position.
Oh, gaat de...
Now slowly taxi onto the
Gaat de
runway
rang me a
and
tutorial
align
with
the
een
plane
taxi.
with the center line. Then stop your plane just after the number 21.
Okay, slightly increased power.
Not quite ready to go there yet. Let's get back in position and try this again. Now slowly taxi onto the runway and align the plane with the center line. Then stop your plane just after the number 21.
Right, well, okay. Line the aircraft. Slightly increase, okay. Shin. Okay. Finished. Enter. Scan out. Okay. J van Gerene aan een nam decimal. Shit. Gaat er een shin bullig aan. Oké. Hier is een jaar eerst. Well, has she nasashka? Okay. Stop. Has she gefash?
Let's position the plane for takeoff.
Hami fiaching, okay. Hami fiaching, dat is geniaal. Okay. Sean is haar. Guys. Oh. Ja.
Keep working on it. You'll get better.
Heb je zo'n groot talletje, shit.
Alright, let's do this. Apply full power and I'll walk you through the takeoff
Okay,
as we go.
Gartjen. Zo zien. Maximum unlimited power. Oh. No, I need to tell
Use
you
your rudders to stay on the center line.
Ja, intussen.
We're a bit too far down the runway.
Okay,
Let me
scanner.
move the plane back into position.
What a tank.
Alright, let's do this. Apply full power and I'll walk you through the takeoff as we go.
Scan you.
Use your rudders to stay on the center line and keep pushing power until you reach 55 knots.
Oh.
We're a bit too far down the runway. Let me move the plane back into position. Alright, let's do this. Apply full power and I'll walk you through
sensitive.
the takeoff as we go.
Alright.
Use your rudders to stay on the center line and keep pushing power until you reach 55 knots. Good. Now gently
Okay.
pull back on the yoke.
Oké, ik heb een nieuwtje naar deze. Daar we gaan.
Pull back on the and we're airborne.
Right, China. Oh.
Line up the top of your
Oh.
instrument panel so it's a couple of inches above the horizon.
Zo.
That'll pitch us up and set a good climb attitude.
Oh,
Focus on flying straight. Use your rudders to keep the runway heading of 200 degrees.
Okay. Well, has she near the tutorials again? So she does jagen. It. Hier. Okay. Well, zijn je geen lucht? Waar is het taal? Nou, ga je? Oh. Nu ben ik eentje hier op zoom in en ik ga doen is barrijen. Like departure report. Okay, alright. Zo zie je gaat je. Ergens gaat je jeetje. Ik zie het is het al raad. Weet je. Shinchi. We gaan maar een raw de route te showen. Oh, gaartje. Oké. Nishin RG gaat. Oh, ciao. Oh. Trash, is het ervoor. Okay. Well. Als je het al terugkeert. Nou, verder ging. Okay. Right. Kim met een nieuw. Gierach Rijn Misha. Kim met een nieuw Misha. Okay. Fiach sin a dhíist. Right, okay. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, come on. Come on. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Okay. Okay. That's a year. Mr. Shitty No. Nan ráú éiad a phléidir bheith seo du géirí agus leis. Throw it. Okay, I'm trying to feel like we harsh go dhíist. Can't you feel a home key? Rois gorá le jam. Okay, continue. Fel options on this channel of Ruth Beckja Shaw Hoot. Oh, shall y'all look at it? Right, okay. Sorry, like checklist, basic controls, fuel, navilog, travel to, mappa, flight assistant. Ancient enough. Guys. AI piloting. Well, now she knew Janu Mana here. Right, give it a head to Janu Shaw. Geesh na Firi, Sound Shaw, Littenberg Shaw, Ha, Uya Komatsuyama. Can you really have a Kunsk Manavista actually in the Geesh Yuck. AI pilot, how come on. Let's get a tally on it now. Well, gaat erop er sin. Okay, en zag je nog heel een AI pilot bulach of even. Zou niet doen. Een grootje callen. Kunnen gaan. Pleine seo ein gan air. Stach lá. Right. Well, AI pilot 8. AI piloting. Scan. Okay. So, mi sé dírt all harst. Be can take an AI pilot this event. Right. Can you little ga cushion ahead. So, is mentioned Wel sin dulhead cheater never to the east. Incorrect heading, maar big dude. Okay, go to go Haniel AI pilot Falcon Roba if you facal barai. I guess well nachil sin ulig yolach is if you facal machine. Go to go hard gain Aja eile hug agus gun jade sin a bharai. Òbh Òbh. Right, world map. Nicht. Quas and jade sin. Goitje arke. Njo Jamie ein suas an Inish Chile. Agus héit sin a bharai. Johuras. Goitje go bhfuil líoscad a tug na pléine chun cear. Cheníl scagas an, agus ha mi Johnach sin atiochuch. Chan aniu rá. go leor múna gaime seo san bhí Gàidhlig ceasta. Ach I rid oops ans bhfuil uach an chunne rilí a bhí ag giúntacha go léit de rid sé a bhí rilí bhí Cluicheamaid an Google Earth an a dó. Is a good if it in the hat you can show. Good you Gàidhlig nach chéile gamichin simulator crossway. This tell him power wash simulator. Here's the Martian written hackad. Foodist good you. Yeah, I saw Ritkin raw. You got a crossway. Good you Gàidhlig leis sure headspace at sa bhéil mé a good. Trying to give a good on me a geary Ritkin becket na ba hlacht vere. Ach, bí hlacht bud go is go cedma nunne. Agus cimme
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, continue for west departure.
ní mi sin?
Cockpit Tower, Cessna Alpha Sierra, X-ray Golf Sierra, continue for west departure.
Is go hen. Nis cimme ní mi but dá am Cockpit View gal. I felt caiinnig dingus a bí.
ISO 343, follow the aircraft on final. Wind 283 at tree. Clear to land runway 1.
Is chéthe se.
Clear to land runway 1 ISO 343.
Climb phase. Weet je, ik wil niet direct alle voeten goed aan een. Waarom kan je het goed ja? Ga je bullig fantastic simulator aan, als je ship simulator, long simulator, I suppose. I guess heard me big sparse out is like a
ISO 3 for tree exit runway when able.
Na bátige náisic na chéil rilí a gopur a drásta ináte bad a sé ceáid suúgad a gabh seo lei ach má haid dal bhí cá tainte rí Microsoft Flight a charéit mí an gluiche go cafis Goite chuideach cáirteach seom an ráíiad na tutorials go le i dhéanú ach gus men sin goráid na spása le mi hé éich cinnius go tead gotána agus chuideach nachráise rilí ar san uair a híte chaide me sé genú na tutorials sin. Which go bhfuil mi cead a chanéaltain is bír as a chapter chanting tílchan tutorials. Hámi ar san níos chuig mar a garis mi a view. Has sin na dal chun na gealaí chu háte. Calas go bhfuil sin na dal chun na gealaí.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, leaving my airspace
Shouldn't
frequency
she?
change approved.
Okay, Carson, no seo sin.
Cockpit Tower, Cessna Alpha Sierra, X-ray Golf Sierra frequency change. Cockpit approach Cessna
Bacal
Alpha Sierra,
Initiative.
X-ray Golf Sierra is type Cessna 152 2 miles south of Cockpit 2,500 feet. Request flight following.
Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra Cockpit approach. Squawk 2135.
Squawk 2135 Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra radar contact 3 miles south of Cockpit 2,800 feet. Altimeter 29.992.
Roger Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
travel forward in time. Sin trying to pick on time travel anyhow, Harjan. Advanced techniques. Had I made a tutorial or something. Chirchiunsik me. Okay. Shashin. Oh. Wel van Misher staan wie ik descent gaan boelach anyhow. Okay, well, could it be Meister Pilot? Is vier geweest, ja. Oh. Yup. Okay, it's given the DV shit. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Good chicken collard and a Cluicheamaid. Okay. Òbh Òbh. Okay, sin dal go try Oh no. Whoa. Òbh Òbh. Okay. A shot le. Bhí seo tachas Ams a bí ha mí plain a shot tachas. An hell shot tachas fixed. Okay. Okay. Fàilte Òbh Òbh Airlines. Agus thaing commód ar san siúil cáil é na tú. A sin fatan ar comain. Bhíoisiú larach ar na bagiche acu sa thula sían. Feisceáil. Has sin seo ar trías mar a bheith sibh ula go dúil. Chanéal ag Òbh Òbh Airlines is a go na seirse chanéal is landing clearances is a good cushion neile. Has sin cara mar Ryanair as a dóid has sin is go bhíú ceannach tickets go Barcelona agus how anna Portstad fatar falla bó Barcelona. Mar sin bhí sin go an talú is ag a trábhór. Bhí sin seo anna trías agus well mar a híisiú bhí sin fun bhúr. Ach has ticket ní a bheith suir a bhain, so chuine gaibh gearain cus agus ma haus muinte mé éin ha caiad rudspic maid na fídchlis. So really yes ha dúlich go bhfuil na stúchan acu ulag fluch ach séar bethe. Cymryd fes mi start a main engine. Right, Jay hecyn y sinna Throttle. Fel keine, cydynnu sy fi far y fel an engine. Yoke. Nís chanéal mí teanna Google ar seo, bhí sin is a chodána. Ach, ha mí díoch ar chainachach Control Shift a hern. Nope, chanéal sin teanna sian. Heading compass, turn coordinator, yoke visibility, clock. Cheers, I'll go on like. nó sést a hen a cantaigh. Well, goite go deach ruirtí an cear. A daine cantaí ar leine trí go bhí ruirtcin a dal cear as a seo. Well, agus beidir go faction ana hinach a chatin chréid mí an síl sin go Microsoft Flight Simulator an an úne ráid. Stácha lá má níimi na tutorials ar fat gon síl mé agus an nuair sin gon chluis sin go ceasta. Ach ha mis sé níad bhatálaíte fé méatecha leis i landa go seo. I'r taías ha súrin gyd pórstáraich gyn so sé buanach go sin ach fáci mi anna hinach is an trú a cháirtin taing chomóidir san a bhí am chuteach ar san Cluicheamaid agus chiimi na heachgan siú as min dachas go bhfuil sibh cum sláán agus sábhailte sna láon áirit a seo agus má ha sibh dul rain Ítelan a ráte sa bí ha mín dachas gon smúnig sibh mi héin Òbh Òbh Airlines gus gon táise sibh le bhí dal go ovobh.underwater.com chuú tíirí a dráasta bheit a cháirtin agus ríist tíach taing go dtíist.